Hello, my name is Colin Lee. I'm a junior at the University of Miami, and I'm extremely excited to talk with you today about MunchLabs. Since the coronavirus pandemic took the world by storm just 1 year ago, more than 110,000 restaurants have shut their doors permanently, an estimated 2.5 million restaurant workers have lost their jobs, and overall sales across the restaurant industry are down $240 billion. Existing restaurants are struggling to adapt to COVID-era dining in a digital-first climate, and this is where MunchLabs comes in. MunchLabs currently operates 4 cloud restaurant concepts, including breakfast, lunch, dinner, and late-night concepts that can be applied nationwide inside of any existing restaurant or commercial kitchen. Our restaurant-in-a-box model allows us to send all of the core equipment needed to launch a concept directly to a host and begin putting them through our intensive training and orientation program. Once set up, MunchLabs will officially launch the concept in their market, supported by our advertising dollars. All that a commercial kitchen has to do to get started is sign up to host one or more of our concepts and source qualified team members. Then MunchLabs takes care of everything from marketing and supply chain operations to transactions and delivery for every concept. Adding a line of revenue has never been easier. Hosts never have to worry about inventory management or inventory costs either. MunchLabs systems automatically track what inventory is being used at every location and will automatically dispatch what supplies are needed at no upfront cost to the hosts. Our hosts typically generate anywhere from $2,000 to $5,000 per concept per week in additional revenue that would have been lost without our help. America's mostly family-owned 350,000 independent restaurants are the backbone of our economy, and we're excited to get them the help they need. All that we charge to get started is a $7,500 launch fee, which covers all the equipment, supplies, training, and marketing needed to get a host ready. After that, MunchLabs will receive 10% of the revenue generated from each concept in perpetuity. By the end of our first year, we're projecting 50 cloud restaurants in operation across 15 hosts in the United States, generating $60,000 a month in recurring revenue and $375,000 in gross setup fees. 2021 is about recovery, and MunchLabs is planning to help America's independent restaurants do just that. I encourage you to learn more and keep up with us at munchlabs.co.